So I can't get this saw to cut straight. I've spent hours adjusting the blade guides as per the manual to try and get a good cut, but I've discovered this problem. So as you can see, I've got a set square set up in it. If I bring the bow up to there, it's not easy to show, the blade is flush with the set square. Now if I let the bow down, the whole bow as it's falling is twisting. So by the time it gets to the bottom of the cut, see, we're about halfway down now and there's about a mil gap there. By the time we get to the bottom of the cut, there's nearly 2 millimeters gap there. So no amount of adjusting these blade bearings is going to correct a wonky bow. The other problem I'm having is I've literally done maybe 10 or 15 cuts, and as you can see, the cutting fluid is getting underneath this sticker, turning it all milky, and already after 2 days the text is wearing off this mitre scale. So I'm not sure what we can do about this.